Let's suppose we are traveling by car between Tallinn in Estonia and Berlin. Search for directions and the route is being calculated. Now, we have these three options and, for example, let's choose the recommended route. So, as this trip takes 17 hours, I want to find an accommodation to stay overnight. Now let's look at the search bar, and it says search along the route. You will see. I'll click on hotels, and this will search for hotels that are not far from my way, so I could make an overnight stop easily. Now, imagine that I have the idea to spend the night around halfway of the route. I can zoom in here and now click on search this area, so the map will update to focus only in this region. Then, one of the great advantages here, if you don't want to spend a lot of time driving to the hotel, you can easily understand which are the hotels in big cities, because there can be a lot of traffic or even lack of parking, and try to look at the ones that don't seem to be far from the route. For example, this one. You can still try to search in even a smaller area if you don't see hotels there. You may find more accommodations, and some of them are represented just by a point, like this one. In this case it's a guest house, and the prices are not showing there, but you could check the availability in their website, as you can see. Finally, when you choose your hotel, you can add stop, and now the route will pass there. You can see, this one was actually very close to my way. Then you can use the satellite view or even the street view if available to have an idea of the area. It looks very quiet here, and it does not seem very hard to park the car, I think. So, when you are done, you can copy the link and send it to your email, save it in your Google Drive account or where you find it appropriate, or here you can send the route directly to your phone, in case you are about to leave right now. Before finishing this video, look that you can also find campsites there. I didn't remember that. If you click in the button and let's search in this area again, look, there are actually a couple of them. This one looks close to the road. I'm going to click on it and add as a stop. And now, let's go to the panel, and because I added the campsite, I don't need a guest house anymore, so I can remove it here. Finally, I'm going to drag the map, and here is the road adjusted to the campsite. Now you can find more tutorials about Google Maps in the description of this video, or click in the video showing now in the screen. So, it's everything. See you in the next time.